Hey, how's it going, guys? It's your boy Serrano here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the true wireless earphones right here that were sent out to me. Now, these are the version V5.0 headphones. Now, I will be leaving a link down below in the description area so you can check these out, but we're going to take a look at them in some more detail. So these are going to be really budget headphones. I will have a link down below so you can take a look at pricing and everything like that. But we're going to go ahead and check these out in some more detail right now. Okay, so I got the true wireless earphones right here in front of me. The TWS Bluetooth earphones, sport headphones with ear hook. I have 35 hours of playtime and an IPX7 waterproof stereo sound earphones with charging case. Now it has a stable and comfortable design as well. As you can see right here, they're giving you an ergonomic design which makes the earphones fit snugly against the auricle, making and a more comfortable wearing experience. You're also getting click left and right to answer and hang up, click left and right to switch between current and waiting calls. Also, you get the multifunction button. You do get the click left and right, play, pause. You can also double click left and right for previous song and press and hold for volume up and down. And you also do get the option right here where it says triple click for your Google Assistant. And then you do get press and hold for 2 seconds to reject a phone call. Now these headphones are IPX7 waterproof, which means that no matter if it rains or if you sweat, it doesn't matter. It's still, you're good. You don't have to worry, but just don't swim in these and you'll be fine. Now you can see the price right here is $49, and you can see the specifications right here are really good. They're offering that waterproof function, which is really nice. Bluetooth 5.0, the smart assistant, ergonomic fit. You're also getting other features right here like crystal clear sound with the 5.0 HD technology. It's going to say like it's crystal like clarity and deepness offers naturally, and we're going to test all of this out. It says powerful bass performance as well, widely compatible with Macs, laptops, MP devices, top smartphones as well. Right now you can see this is the model N1. It's the version 5.0. You can get 10 meters distance. You get 800 milliamp hour charging case as well. Now you do get 5 to 6 hours talk time. You also do get 6 hours playtime and auto pairing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at what's inside of this box right now. So make sure you guys stay locked in with me. Just gotta slide this out. And that's actually a pretty cool presentation considering that the package is crushed. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off this plastic from the front, put this right off to the side, and you're getting an all matte black case. So this is all matte black. You know I love this case already. It's completely all matte black. This is gonna fit like in your hand really nicely. Just the texture of this alone is sick. And it's Type-C right here. I could already tell that's Type-C charging on the back as well. So that's really nice. Now you can see when you open it up, you get the option right here. You can see it's trying to auto pair automatically. So I'm gonna close that. But this logo is sick. It says SZC on the front of the case. So this is made by the company SZC. And I really am liking this design. First, let's take a look at the accessories and what comes inside of the box. So right here you can see it does say true wireless earphone accessories box. So we're gonna go ahead, pull this open and see what comes inside. You do get the Type-C charger, cord, and some additional ear tips which will be packed inside here. So let's just see what kind of quality that they're offering for the ear tips really quickly, and then I'm going to put these inside of my ear for testing to test out the sound quality, latency. Now you're getting these rubber bands, extra rubber bands for something. I'm not quite sure what yet. New device. And then when I go there, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pop this open, and it's gonna say N1 like immediately. That's crazy. I'm gonna hit that option while they're still in case, and it's gonna actually tell me to pair them. So I'm gonna put this inside of my ear right now. Okay guys, so these are actually paired to my device right now. Let me just show you real quick. It does say 100% on the earbuds right now. So this is crazy. They paired really quick. That was the fastest that it was immediately automatically paired, and the right one is actually on the right side. Let me just show you that. So take this one out, and let's just take a look at the ergonomics of it first. So you're getting this hook right here, which is really soft that I'm noticing, and that's just going to be really soft. Then a small ear tip and a really large earbud with a physical button, it looks like. So that's a physical button right there. And so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pop this right into the ear. Wow, that fits so comfortably. That fits really comfortably. You can see that right there. It just fits really snug in my ear. You can see there's an LED light on that one. Let's pop this one over top of the glasses, and then just pop this. Yeah, so the overall comfort on these is really good, guys. The design on this is really ergonomic. Now the time is to test out the sound quality. So the time has come to test out the sound on these earbuds. They have a really nice fit, so I see myself being able to use these outdoors. I see myself being able to use these while jogging or hiking, or even in the shower. So when you long hold, it increases the volume. And I'm just gonna look for the lips and the words. Wow, these are sick. Alright, so now I'm gonna do the one ear test. I'm gonna see if one works while in the case. And these really have good passive noise cancellation. You could barely hear while you're talking. I put the right one in and it's still playing. So everything is perfect. All right, let's take this one out and put it in the case. And it starts charging immediately. You can see the red light go on. And they have independent listening, so you can listen to either one while it's charging. Wow, so I'm in love with this case so far, guys. This earbud has really good ergonomics. It has a nice button so you can click it. The only thing is you will get LEDs on, so I'm not sure if you like LEDs or not, but this fin is extremely comfortable. It's made of like a silicone material, so it's extremely flexible and it won't ever break on you. I'm in love with these earbuds right now, and you can see it fits perfectly in the case. So there's no wireless charging on these, but you still get the Type-C charging cable, which is really impressive as well. Lastly, the passive noise cancellation when you put them in is really great. Also, you're gonna notice really good bass and deep tremolo. If that's something that you like, then these are definitely for you. Also, there's no playback. When I was looking at the lips and the words on YouTube, everything just seemed to sync up perfect. But shout out to SZC. These are really cool earbuds. So if you want to check out some SZC earbuds, which are all matte black. If you like matte black just like me, then these are definitely the earbuds for you. But you should definitely check these out. I think it's a really good it's a really good steal. For under $40 you're gonna get a really good pair of headphones for this company. But hope you guys found this video helpful. Shout out to ZC as well, and I'll check you guys out in the next video. But if you found this helpful, just stay locked in for more videos. Make sure you check out the next video right after this. Hit the bell icon and subscribe so you can get notified, and subscribe and join the crew, and I'll check you guys later. Peace.